This is my ear. This is my ear. This is my forehead. This is my eye. This is my eyelids. This is my eyebrow. This is my cheek. This is my nose. This is my mouth. This is my lips. This is my teeth. This is my tongue. This is my chin. This is my face. This is my neck. This is my shoulder. This is my chest. This is my belly. This is my arm. This is my armpit. This is my elbow. This is my forearm. My wrist. This is my palm. This is my thumb. This is my wrist finger. This is my middle finger. This is my ring finger. This is my small finger. This is my hand.